What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix dialing keypad making squeaky duck toy sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if your dialing keypad is making sound like this, then to fix this issue, open settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now here in sounds and vibration, click on system sound and then click on system sound theme. Now from here select Galaxy, and after selecting Galaxy, the keyboard duck sound will be fixed. So now you have to go back to save changes, and after that it will fix the issue. So that's how you can fix the dialing keypad making squeaky duck toy sound in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.